Hey queens and kings, so in today's video I'll be showing you how I make these 6 tasty smoothie, and guess what, they're all high protein smoothies. So girl, if you're on a weight loss journey, perfect for you. Also, if you're not on a weight loss journey, it keeps you fuller for a long time. So I'll be starting off by cutting up the mango into smaller pieces.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around.
Y'all, this smoothie was definitely one of my fave. Tastes so good, so tropical. It also has a hint of yogurt taste, so I definitely love that. You gotta try it out.
Put your faith in me, put your love on.
The first thing I'll be doing to start off with this smoothie is to blend the oatmeal so it gets like a powdery consistency. Then I'll start to add the other ingredients. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my blog and stay tuned to it because all the benefits of these ingredients and more, the exact measurements, will be on my blog post. So make sure you check out that link in the description.
Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love.
Now, what could be more exciting? If you're a chocolate lover, then I have like 3 recipes in this that has cocoa. You'll definitely enjoy them, and it's not overpowering, and it doesn't feel like you're drinking a smoothie. So what's better than that? So for this recipe, I was starting off with some kale. And yes, if you don't like kale, you can substitute it with spinach or any other vegetable of your choice. Now, this by far was my least favorite. See, I'm telling you guys before I even make it. That's how loyal I am to you guys. But yeah, it was my least favorite. However, what I think would help this is some honey or stevia or any sweetener of your choice would help this smoothie. But because I didn't use any sweetener, I usually don't with my smoothies and my tea. So yeah.
Your love, your love, put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me. Put Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do.
Look at that creamy green smoothie. Now remember y'all, depending on your taste bud, add a sweetener. But regardless, it was good. Just needed a little sweetness.
I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again.
Now this smoothie was the bomb, okay? That cherry and that cocoa just give it a burst of flavor. You gotta try this one.
Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that.
Now this green smoothie was so mild, you barely taste that it's green. Anyway, spinach barely has any taste, but it was so good for a green smoothie. Got to try this also.
Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust.
Now, this is the last one, and of course, it was so good. If you reach this far, you're a real. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for next week video. Let me know which one you see so far you think you'd love or try out. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like, comment, and share this video with your family and friends. One love.